When you craft your cover letter, there are many factors to consider. Let's cover some tips and tricks to get you started. The first question you might have is, to whom should I address my cover letter? If you cannot find a specific hiring manager or recruiter to list when you address your cover letter, you can do something as simple as saying, "Dear hiring manager, how should I format my cover letter?" It is important to use the same font size and style that you use in your resume. Additionally, you can use your header from your resume on your cover letter too. Like your resume, you'll want to use 3/4 inch to 1 inch margins. A cover letter should be single-spaced. Where can I find examples of cover letters? Cover letter examples can be found on the Texas Career Engagement website. We recommend reviewing some examples before beginning to write your own. Are there any cover letter rules? While cover letters are an opportunity to get more creative, it is critical to maintain professionalism and specificity in a cover letter. Remember to triple check for grammar and spelling errors. Remain consistent in font and tone. Your cover letter should be no more than 1 page. Cover letters can be a great way to add more information about yourself and your interest in the position. Now that we've gone over some general tips and tricks, you can use these to make your cover letter stand out.